Okay, we have our head here, and we've rounded it, sanded it down, and rounded it down. So we want to work on this inside here to level it out. When you put in your vise, make sure you got the back of the head on, so you don't crack your head when you tighten it down. So we're going to be using our cutting tools, different ones here, to shave this down and start to shape it. So we're going to work on that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You can see how we're taking this down. We'll do this all the way across here and shape the head a little bit more, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.